Welcome to Mr. Brown's Basement, a channel devoted to sharing the craft of repairing, restoring, and modifying vintage electronic gear, and other random stuff. I've been thinking about how I want my new workbench lamp to be. Like the one I've got now, it will run on 110 volts, but I want it to be dimmable. For that, I'll use a lamp which is 0 to 10 volt dimmable. I already have a power supply that will give me 12 volts. I'll bring it to an enclosure. I'm thinking of using a standard device box. I'd like the provision for 2 brightness presets, 2 knobs selected by a toggle switch. To give me an idea of relative brightness, I'll use an LED bar graph. To do the bar graph, I'll use this vector board. I'll also use LM3914 bar graph driver chips. They're cheap and readily available. I'm not even going to use IC sockets. I'll use these flat green LEDs, and I shouldn't even need to cut a hole for them. They should be able to shine through a wall plate. The schematic for LM3914 is available online, and you can even cascade them together, which is exactly what I'm going to do with 20 LEDs. Here we have the board with 21 LEDs installed with the 2 ICs. I have 21 rather than 20 because I want the lowest LED to light up whether or not there's any voltage at all. So even at 0 volts, there will still be one LED lit. I finished the bar graph circuit. I've connected it up to a potentiometer, which is wired up as a voltage divider. If I turn up the voltage, the bar graph increases. There we go. I'll turn it down. Fully driven, it takes about 0.2 amps, which works out to be about 10 milliamps per LED, and they are bright. This will be a visual indicator with my dimmer. I'll be able to see how bright my presets are compared to the full brightness. I'm going to give it a dry run, connecting it up to the lamp. This is the new lamp. It's a monster. That's 0. 0.6 volts, nothing. Ooh, okay, something happens around a volt. 0.8 volts. 2 volts. 3 volts. 4. 5. 6. Oh my god, it's hard to watch. 7. 8. 9. Oh my goodness. 10 volts. I guess it's dimmable. Oh my goodness. Where is it actually comfortable to look at it? Oh, around 0.7 volts. Wow. It works. Here's my enclosure, an electrical utility box, but I've soldered the knockouts on one side closed so they don't fall out. Then I can stick in the 2 pots and the switch. Final testing before putting it together. This is one preset. And here's the other preset. I think it works, and it should all fit in this box. I'm ready to take down this light fixture. I picked it up maybe 2008, way back when YouTube was still in black and white. There we have it, installed. It's a heavy lamp, so it should be well supported. I think I'm happy with the dimmer at around 30%. This is ridiculously bright. Yeah, that bright. And in fact, this doesn't even go to full brightness. I've got it limited at about 85% because I can't see ever needing to use it at 100%. It needs some knobs and some labels. I hope you enjoyed this video from Mr. Brown's Basement. Please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and then you'll be notified as new videos come out. I hope you will join me again soon for more interesting and unusual videos.